Hi everybody, welcome to our second day of self-defense lesson today. We're just going to jump right into it. There's not many videos today, but lots of time for you guys to practice. So if you go ahead and click on the PowerPoint link here, or it is at the bottom as always, it will take you to our PowerPoint for today, where you'll see we're starting our Songam 1. So today is going to be combining 18 moves and skills that you have learned so far in this class. All right, so to start, the commands at the start and the end of your form, you're going to watch this short video here. You're going to watch these two short videos right here, about a minute each. Make sure you know each of the names and what the position is. And then here is the important one that you guys need to watch today multiple times. So it shows all 18 moves of your Songam 1 form. So at some point you'll need to know all 18 of these in a row. But today we'll just need to know the first 9. As you can see after you watch it a few times, of the 18 moves, they're all the first 9 are the same as the second 9, but they're just with a different side of the body. All right, so take some time to learn those. Learn the names of them, call them out as you go through it. And then for what you're turning in today, you're turning in a video completing the first half, so 9 moves, and you're going to try to call out the names of each form as you do that. So when you turn it in, you're going to need a video with you're going to say your name and then show us the first 9 moves using the correct side of the body. If you have any questions about this, reach out to Mrs. Olson. She'll probably be your best resource since she is an expert at all of this. And then let me know if you have any questions. Turn it in right here by midnight tonight.